Welcome to the Food Vision Media DIY channel. Today I'll be sharing just a simple egg recipe. Just simple egg and cheese recipe. And we only need very small ingredients, as you can see. Salt and pepper, and you can put how much you like, your choice. Cheese. Okay, so right now I'm going to crack an egg. Okay. Crack the other egg. I'm gonna add my salt. My pepper. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to try to stir it up in this little thing here. Cutting my heat on oven on medium heat. I think we have it mixed. Do, 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 do. Okay. Okay, so I added butter to the pot, and as you can see, it has already melted. So now I'm going to pour the egg in the pot. So I'm going to just stir it around a little bit. And now I'm going to add the cheese. Simple. So I just like mine just stirred up a little bit, scrambled, and it's looking good, and it's smelling good. Let's see how it tastes. Now this is the finished product. It looks very pretty. I also just added a little parsley on top just for, you know, the color. So now I'm gonna taste it. Let's see how it tastes. Get a big. Let's see. So good. I'm gonna have another taste. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.